So look up and pull back. And now I have some resistance in there as well. Okay, so I can have extra strength. Okay, I can go back even further, and I'm building that curve, strengthening the muscles. Feels really good. I get my upper back activated as well. Using corrective postural exercises, we've helped hundreds and hundreds of patients in our office fix their forward head posture, their slouching forward posture, all with techniques that are backed up with over 340 research publications. And in this video, I'm going to give you 4 of the best exercises that you can do to correct a forward head posture and a slouching posture. And I'm going to show you the sequence that progresses from easy to a bit more intermediate and then to advanced. So follow along. Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Salubro, a corrective care chiropractor in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. Now, why should you listen to me? I'm sure you've seen many posture exercise videos, how to fix your posture exercise videos on YouTube. Well, not many of these videos are backed up by research publications. And what makes me unique and different is that I have advanced certification in chiropractic biophysics. And the techniques I'm about to show you are postural exercises that are backed up by over 340 research publications. And they've been shown to work not just with my patients that have forward head posture and slouching posture, but with many patients that chiropractic biophysics doctors have applied these techniques to. So I'm going to show you these 4 exercises to how to fix a forward head posture and also a slouching posture. Now, these exercises are not for all people. It's always best to get checked and evaluated by a corrective care chiropractor. These are specific for forward head translation or some loss of cervical curve, slouching forward posture. They're not ideal for kyphosis or military neck. Now, I do have exercises for kyphosis and military neck in my other videos. These ones here are 4 exercises specific for forward head posture and slouching posture. So let's get started. Now you can follow along and you're gonna need some equipment for some of these exercises, but just watch this, follow along, do the best you can. I'll give you the sets and the reps as well. And we're gonna go through a sequence of progression from easy to resistance and more advanced. If you feel any pain or discomfort, of course, don't go through with the exercise, and it's always best to get checked and cleared by your doctor, chiropractor, or physiotherapist. So exercise number 1 in the sequence of correcting forward head posture and slouching forward posture is a straightforward head retraction exercise. So if you are like this, starting off, the idea is to straighten up your thoracic spine and pull that head back. Extend your chin and head up a bit, palms open like this, and head back, ear behind the shoulder. We want you to hold that for 10 seconds. You may not be able to do it for 10 seconds right away, but work up to 10 seconds. And then you're gonna work up to a minimum of 20 reps, but the more you do, the better, and every day. So I'll go through a few of these so you can see what it looks like. And I'll kind of change my angle a bit so you can follow along and see what it looks like. So from a lateral perspective, you're gonna pull back, okay? And I don't want you to do a straight chin tuck. I want you to tilt your head up a bit, get some extension in there, build that curve up into your neck, head back, shoulders open, improve that shoulder roundedness that you may have, palms out, okay? Hold 10 seconds, release a little bit, and then do it up to 20 times. So from the front position, I'm basically turning my palms out, putting my shoulders back, squeezing my shoulder blades, head back, look up, hold 10 seconds. Good, repeat 20 times. So I'll do it from the back perspective as well. Palms out, squeeze the shoulder blades in, look up, pull back. Okay, hold 10 seconds. Okay, and I'll do a few more from this perspective here. So palms out, shoulders back, squeeze the shoulder blades in, look up, pull the head back. 10-second hold, release, and do it again. And you don't want a full release, right? You want to kind of start from the position you're at, go into that mirror image position, release a little bit, and then pull back again, okay? Work up to 20, 30, even 40 reps daily. Now, progression number 2, you're gonna add some resistance with your hands, okay? So you put your hands behind your neck and your head, and you're gonna pull back against the hands. Add some resistance. You're now training your muscles to hold that posture even more. So we're gonna build up the resistance, okay? So I'll go on an angle a little bit so you can see me. So look up, pull back, open those shoulders, open those elbows, pull the shoulder blades back together. Hold back just like that, 10 seconds, and release. Then do it again. Hold back, pull back, 10-second hold. Now I want you to hold for 10 seconds. I'm just going through a few seconds to get more content here for you, and then pull back again, okay? From the back perspective, right here, head back, shoulders open, pull back, hold 10 seconds. Okay, and then from the front perspective, so again, from here, open, pull back, okay? Now I'll do another lateral one. Pull and push against your hand, push against your hand. Okay, so that's adding resistance number one. I'm going to show you another 2 exercises with some equipment with resistance next. So the next 2 exercises will require some equipment. There's all kinds of different things you can use for this. I'll show you the ones that we use in our office. We like to use what's called a prolordotic neck exerciser. You may have seen it in my other videos. This is the red one. This is 20 pounds of pull. The blue one is 25 pounds of pull. We can progress patients through that. And then the green one is 35 pounds of pull. So we all start people with the red one. So we take this, and this is an awesome piece of exercise equipment. We stretch it one time, put it behind the neck, and we can go hands low position first. And this is a complete head retraction against resistance. So not only are you strengthening the muscles of your neck, the extensor muscles, you're stretching the anterior flexors as well. And you're also promoting a natural cervical lordosis. That's why these are great exercises. These are some of the best exercises you can do for a forward head position and loss of cervical lordosis. And you can do some pumps, okay, some counter pumps like that. And we tell people to do 15 repetitions of this. So 15 repetitions, 3 sets, so it's 45 every day, okay? So I would tell people to do 15 in the low position, go a little higher, 15 in the mid position. It feels really great. And then when you do 15 of those, stretch it out and do 15 in the up position. You get that lower curve, that mid curve, and the upper area of the curve, okay? 15, okay? It feels really good. So I'm building that curve, I'm creating a lordosis in my neck, and I'm retracting the head back. And I can already feel myself with my head being back like that. Okay, I'll show you the green one, actually the blue one first. Okay, the blue one, same idea, it's a little stronger, okay? So pull, I can feel more resistance. So eventually we can build people up to the blue one as well, just like that. And these are products that we give to our patients in our office as part of their rehab program. Okay, feels really good. Okay, and then the green one is a little stronger. Okay, I can feel extra resistance here. Okay, pull up. I'll show you sideways first. Feels really good. So this is called a prolordotic neck exerciser. Okay, and we can dispense these to our patients as part of their rehabilitation program at home, and also we do it in the office as well. This is actually my structural rehab room where I do in-office structural care, traction, and exercise with our patients. Now let me show you the 4th one, and it's also going to require some equipment, so let's do this one next. Okay, number 4 is also resistance, and it's a little bit different. So instead of putting a fulcrum point like the prolordotic neck exerciser, we're going to add some headgear. Now this comes from MediCordz. We love these supplies here, and I put this headgear on my head like this. It kind of looks funny, okay? It's almost like a helmet. Chin strap, I put it through here, okay? Just watch this for a moment. It's really cool, okay? So I have a chin strap, and you'll see they have these little like triangle things. I can do attachments with resistance. So here's a starter resistance, the gray one, and I just plug it over here, okay? And now I have a resistance point. So instead of my hands, I can use this cord. Same idea, okay? So look up and pull back. And now I have some resistance in there as well. Okay, so can I have extra strength? Okay, I can go back even further, and I'm building that curve, strengthening the muscles. Feels really good. I get my upper back activated as well. Okay, I can hold it for 1 second, and now we'll do like 10, 20, 30 reps of this, okay? And let's take that one out. We have over here, yellow is a little stronger. I hook it up, same idea, just a little stronger, progressing. You're going to see it has a bit more resistance. I can tighten this up a bit more if I need to. Make sure this is center. Okay, so tighten all that up and pull back. It feels really good. Okay, awesome. And it looks funny too, but it works really well. So that's 4 exercises, and these are real, scientifically backed up, research backed up exercises for improving, correcting forward head posture, forward head translation, slouch posture because it does open up into extension. It's not indicated for cervical kyphosis or for military neck. We need some fulcrum points for that, like the prolordotic neck exerciser and other things, but these are 4 great exercises that we recommend to our patients. We've seen amazing results in their postural pictures, in their x-rays, in their quality of life, and reduction of pain and symptoms by doing these type of exercises and actually truly correcting their posture with these forward head posture correcting exercises. Now, if you found value in that video, do comment below, like it, share it, get this video to more and more people, because I want more people that are teaching posture exercise videos out there to really find the scientific way of actually correcting posture. So do share this with your family and friends. It makes a difference. Comment below if you have any questions. Let me know which one was your favorite. Was it the one with the retraction against your head? Was it the one using a cord behind your neck? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see how we actually do corrective care for cervical kyphosis in office traction or home traction, go watch this video right here, because that's also very relevant, and you can see some of the corrective techniques we use to correct spinal alignment issues right here.